Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your speaker EDIFIER MS50A. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on, so open the control panel and enable the Bluetooth here. If it's disabled, now if you have iOS device, I recommend it to go to the settings, then to the Bluetooth, and after that tap at your speaker at the device list. And now we have connection to Android, so I checked and it reconnect automatically, but you can also check it and tap at this speaker as the device list on your Android device. Now, if it didn't help you, we should perform firstly software set. To perform a software set, you need to turn off your speaker by pressing hold power button at the top. And now the speaker disconnected from the phone, so then we need to turn on it by pressing hold again at the power button. Here we go. And now the speaker should reconnect automatically, but sometimes it didn't happen, so we need to check if we have connection here. And no, we haven't, so tap at your speaker at the device list. Now, if it didn't help you also, we need to remove and add this speaker. So at the device list, tap the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker, then forget this device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top, and if you have iOS, right now I see this speaker, but usually you need to turn off and turn on the Bluetooth or just go back and return here, and after that you will see it. So I don't know if you see it after you remove it, you can just tap on it. Now, if this method didn't help you also, we should perform a factory set. And we have two options how to perform it. We can use an application or we can perform it by control. In the application you need to open it. Of course you need to add the speaker to the app. Then you go to the settings at the right side, scroll down, and right here we have restored factory settings and confirm. If you want to do this with controls, right here at the bottom we have play pause button. You need to press and hold this play pause button for at least 6 seconds.
Factory data has been reset.
And now you can release your finger. And then we need to remove the speaker from the phone and then add it. So click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker. Forget and forget. Don't forget to click pair new device on your Android. And now, as you can see, we haven't the speaker here on iOS, so I'm just return and go back to the Bluetooth, but we can see it right now also. Okay, we need to just wait a bit, or we can also try to...
Now in setup mode. Follow the instructions in your device's companion app.
Okay, we just perform it. So it starts to blinking white, but we need to enter pairing mode, so we need to switch mode to the Bluetooth mode. To do this, right here at the top we have this 3-dot icon. Oh no, actually it entered the pairing mode automatically. Excellent. So then just tap at your speaker at the device list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.